Here's the shocking truth about real estate investing. There will always be deals. Always. No matter if the interest rates are 3% or 10%, no matter if the market is hot, cold, or flat. The reason is simple. People's lives never stop moving, and that movement creates opportunity. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Devin Sheen with Freedom Mentor, and today I'm going to reveal the wrong and right mindset about real estate investing and why there are deal opportunities at any time and in any market. So here's the shocking truth. Real estate deals don't come from waiting for the perfect interest rate or the perfect market crash. Deals come from people. Think about it. Every single day, people go through life events that force them to make real estate decisions. A family inherits a property that they don't want. Someone loses a job and needs to sell quickly. A couple goes through a divorce and has to divide their assets. Sadly, people pass away leaving homes behind. Or maybe an illness makes homeownership very difficult. These situations create motivated sellers, people who need to sell, not just want to sell. And motivated sellers exist in every single market, in every city, at every interest rate. Let me share with you the wrong mindset. This is where most new investors, they get it wrong. They sit on the sidelines waiting. They wait for the interest rates to drop, they wait for the prices to fall, or they only chase listings on the MLS that everyone else is fighting over. That's not how you find great deals, because if you're only looking at properties everyone else can see, you're competing with the masses. And when you're competing with the masses, you're paying retail, not getting a deal. So what does the right mindset look like? The right mindset is this. Instead of waiting for the market to give you an opportunity, go create one. This is achieved through various techniques and marketing efforts that attract motivated sellers. Once the opportunity is created, focus on solving a seller's problem. When you solve someone's problem, whether it's speed, convenience, or peace of mind, you create win-win situations. And guess what? When you think like this, it doesn't matter if the interest rates are high or low, or if the news is predicting a housing crash. You will always be able to find opportunity because people's life situations never stop. So the next time you hear someone say, "I'm just waiting for the market to cool off," or "I'll buy when the rates drop," you'll know the truth that that's just an excuse. Deals exist right now, they always have, and they always will. Now, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more great real estate insights like this. And drop a comment below. What's the biggest myth you've heard about buying or investing in real estate? And if you're serious about getting into real estate investing and getting the right guidance and coaching, you can apply to work with our team in the description below.
Would you like to be coached by me and my team? Every successful real estate investor has a mentor. Discover how you can be mentored by us through our apprentice program by clicking above